In this course, you will learn building information modeling, commonly known as BIM, using Graphisoft Archicad software. This is a practical course, where you will start by designing a simple single-room building, and then progress to a residential building, and finally use all the BIM tools to design a multi-story building. You will get an end-to-end experience on performing morphing operations, grids creation, integration of various building elements, and interpretation of the 3D model for results, using the Archicad software. This course is based on Skyfi Labs' Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to developing the projects with your own hands. A topic like building information modeling can only be mastered by developing projects, and Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantly upon enrollment, and you can complete the course within 1 week, from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. Using Skyfi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it, so you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by developing projects.